I look like Diana Ross. Yes. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how I get all of my hair into a very sleek, slick down bun. It's really easy. The first thing you want to do when you are doing your slick down bun is have your hair detangled, 100% detangled and damp. If your hair is starting to get a little bit dry, like you saw me in the video, you can spritz it down with some water, but your hair needs to be damp. Like, your hair's not going to stick this close to your head if it's dry. Like, you can't do a slick down bun while your hair is dry. At least I can't. Second thing you want to do is apply the gel to your hair. Just apply the gel. Brush the hair down. You want to get yourself one of these kind of brushes. This is probably my favorite. The brush is dirty, I'm sorry, but this is probably my favorite brush. I've had it for a really long time, like since I was a jit, so I don't know where I got this brush from, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from anywhere. After you put it down and you gather your hair in a ponytail, you gather your hair, you roll it around itself, and then you secure it with a ponytail. That's what you're gonna do. Obviously, because a look ain't a look without that baby hairs. After that, you're done, basically. I do my hair on Sundays. That's when I try to do my hair on Sundays. I try to do this hairstyle when I know the upcoming week is about to be really busy, or when I just can't be bothered to do much to my hair. This is a very simple hairstyle that you can jazz up with some hoop earrings or some cute glasses or a bead face. I'm not about to get my face right now. Or you can just collect this because I definitely do. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends, your family. Just share, because sharing is caring. Let me know what other hair videos y'all would like to see me do. Y'all ever seen that video, Show Cantel Brown? Well, she's like, you need to take care of your hair. I need to go and find that video. That video is hilarious. I got chips all over the floor. Okay.